Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your jersey or your kit on eFootball. So it's pretty simple, but you can only change a jersey while you're playing a match. So for this you need to go inside a match first. So I will click on match at the bottom left corner and I will play a random match, alright? So I'm going to go inside a random match, but you can play any match you want. So as you guys can see, I'm playing a match. Over here you can see the little setting icon at the bottom left corner of your screen, which is right above back. Click on the setting icon. And you can see a little hanger looking icon, which is the third option in the list. Click on the hanger. Now from over here you can choose the kit. And you can even choose the kit for away. Now I'm playing trial match, that's why I can choose kit for both. But if you're playing like a normal league match, you cannot choose the kit for the away team. You can only choose a kit for yourself. So choose the dress which you want. And once you get the tick mark, click on back. And the dress which has the tick mark, you're going to be wearing that dress. And you can click on next and you can start playing the game with that jersey on. So I hope you understand how you guys can change jersey/kit on eFootball. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.